Exams are just around the corner. Are you ready? At One Lawler and Rubtech, we have all the books you need to excel: mathematics, science, chemistry, English, biology, computer studies, religious education, home economics, and ECE books. Plus, we provide pamphlet question and answers to help you prepare with confidence. And not only that, we also offer stationery, toner, brand new printers on sale, document printing, and professional company registration services. Visit us today or contact us on +260 760 261 873. You can also reach us on WhatsApp. One Lawler and Rubtech, helping you succeed in your exams and beyond.
Hello, distinction students. Welcome back to my channel of empowering knowledge in computer science. I'm your perfect tutor, Mr. Mpund Boston. And today we'll continue from where we ended by looking at full episode of one of 10 series of programming language, specifically C++, where we'll cover topics like introduction to C++, type of programming languages, types of generation of computer programming, types of programming errors, key concept in C++, predefined data control structures, basic operation in C++, exam questions. Last but not the least, we'll create an ATM machine or Zanaco ATM machine program using C++. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you get notified once I drop a new video like this. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Before you start this journey, you need to understand the terminologies that are involved. Is that okay? So, you need to get familiar with terms like translator, compiler, interpreter, assembler, a variable, pointer, arrays, index, parameters, arguments. So, now here, translators. What are translators? Translators are divided into three types. We have a compiler, okay? We have interpreter, we have an assembler. So here, we can add R here. This is a compiler. Is that okay? This is a compiler. If at all, then let's look at the difference between parameter versus argument. Is that okay? So, I want you now to identify which one is a parameter and which one is an argument. I have an example here. So the program say void display number. So here we have int num. So we have declared int as number. Then the output here we have 10. So here you will notice that number here, which was stored there, is what is considered to be what? A parameter. Then this number, the same as writing, I can say A is equal to 10. So what is A? A is stored what? 10. So this is called argument. In a simple term, we said a parameter, which is here number, a parameter is considered to be what? A box where you put something. Okay. Now, argument is an actual value that we put in the box. Meaning, this number is considered to be what? A box at the beginning of what? The program that we inserted the first here is considered to be a box. Now, inside this box, we stored a value of what? 10, because the users will not see this number, the number as this, but they will see what? A value of 10. So they will see the value of 10 here. So now this 10 is the one which is in the box here. So a number is considered, in conclusion, a number is considered as a box. Okay? And inside this box, we have 10. Now inside a box, we have a number 10. So this 10 is considered to be what? To be an argument. I hope you have understood. If at all, then let's proceed. Alright. So I hope you have understood. If at all, then we have come to the conclusion. So please check out part 2 up to part 10 where we have reached the extent of creating an ATM machine. Remember to subscribe, share, hit the bell button, and leave your comment